Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning front assist on or off on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Front assist is a radar system that detects situations where the distance to the car in front is critical and helps to reduce your car's stopping distance when needed. The system also warns you of a dangerous situation with visual and sound signals and with a braking jolt. You can choose to turn front assist off in the settings if you wish. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Tap the car button to the right of the screen. Then tap settings at the bottom of the car menu. Choose driver assistance from the options. Under the front assist heading, it says active, and to the right of that there is a checkbox. Tap active to enable or disable front assist. When there is a check in the checkbox, front assist is enabled, and when there is no check in the checkbox, front assist is switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.